Today is the worst possible day for any trader, whether you are an intraday trader, swing trader, scalper, long-term trader, doesn't matter. Today is a worst day. Today is a nightmare for option traders, especially option seller. If you are an option seller and even an option buyer, I don't think they would have made money. Where Nifty is moving 1200, 1700 points in one trading session. Today is Sensex expiry and Sensex already has moved around 3500 or 4000 points. I'm shooting this around 3 o'clock and I'm sure it will move another maybe 500 or 300 points. There is 3 p.m. move, and this all brings us to one question: is it worth to trade in this market? And let me tell you, it is not worth at all. If you are an expiry day trader, I can tell you, don't do expiry day trading. At least if you do some if you do some monthly expiries or long-term expiry, there are chances of you winning, making money. But if you are trading expiry day trades, you are not going to make any money. One of my friend messaged me yesterday that he is going to start trading from tomorrow. I don't know what has happened to him. I didn't contact him. Looking at the move, even my WhatsApp around 70-80 message has come. I didn't open the WhatsApp. I'm sure what would have happened, everybody would have told, I'm in loss. And how you can make loss if the market is moving like this, 1300 points? Let's go to the chart so that you will understand. So this is the Nifty chart, and if you can see here, around from 23,400 came to around 23,100, then again back to 23,400, and again sitting somewhere around 23,000. India VIX, look at India VIX has jumped by 5%, a staggering 5%, and just India VIX is around 17. Imagine if it starts going above 20, you will not be able to trade this market. Now itself it is not able to trade. See, Nifty, we can understand in terms of what is happening in the US market. That is why we told in yesterday's video, we put a big thumbnail, this madman is coming. We don't know what is going to happen. Today morning what happened is they told they are going to sign the executive orders. They are going to put a tariff on imports for all countries, and India is one of the country. Canada, Mexico, it is going to be 25%. China, it is going to be 60%, so on and so forth. So that alone caused the major panic in the market. Everything, if you see, IT indexes alone down by 1.2%, mid cap is down by 2.75%. So only thing which is holding is 23,000. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Maybe it will break 23,000 or it will sustain 23,000. We don't have to talk about that today. We will discuss in brief about that in tomorrow's video. But now I can tell you, if you are in loss or if you had made loss, don't worry, don't panic. Just be quiet and see what happens or what we can do in terms of market, how we can manage our position. Don't panic. See what you can do is what I will say right now. What we told in yesterday's video, I will tell you clearly. That's why we put a thumbnail, right? What we told clearly is there are lots of bells and whistles in terms of US market, and that has reacted. On top of that, we have our madam who is preparing halwa for us, halwa ceremony. She is going to come out with the budget, and we don't know what is going to be the budget. I'm sure it is not going to work in favor of retail people, or it is not going to work, be favorable for normal vulnerable people of the society. So that is 100% sure. She has done many budgets, and this budget also is going to be the same way like what she has done in our previous budget. Now in terms of our PNL, I will show my PNL. We are exactly sitting at around 23,000 levels, and this is our PNL. If you can see, we are in a loss of around 67,000 or 68, let's say 70,000, and our MTM loss, so today's MTM loss is around 20k. So I am also not any special person. There is every possibility that I can go wrong. That is why I say I can go wrong. I can go wrong. This is hypothetical. Whatever I tell is hypothetical. Whatever I'm saying is hypothesis. It may happen. It may not happen. So this is what is going to happen. Anyway, we don't have to worry about, or we don't have to think much about what is going to happen. Just stay calm and see what might happen tomorrow. Actually, time is going to, we'll also see what is going to happen the 3 p.m. move. Now, what we believe is if the market closes around below 23,000, we may head towards around 22,800 or maybe even 22,500, and that's what I'm saying. We will discuss about that in a later part, or maybe in tomorrow's video. We don't have to talk about that today, because whatever price action we are seeing, whatever thing happened today is pure manipulation. That is why time and again we are saying we cannot say what these people are going to do, what they will, where they will end up, or how they will do. And you see the manipulation, the way they are manipulating the market. Let me take you to the chart and show you some example so that you will understand what I am trying to say. See, and this is US market. Apart from US market, US S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, everything is green. Apart from US market, Europe is down, Asia Pacific is down. So this guy is a madman. That is why we are posting, that is why we have posted, this guy is a madman and he can do anything in terms of market, is what I told. Now we are not, there is nothing we can do. We are not having any rocket science. Our strategy is simple. We have done a short straddle, 23,000 short straddle. So we'll see, we'll talk about that lately. Now if you see this one, what they have done is, this one today morning itself they have written 23,400 or 450 levels. Now our objective was, our expectation was it will go to 23,500. Once it touched 23,500, today was gap up, market gapped up at around 150 points or 200 points. From there they are bringing, look at this candle, one candle is moving around 200 points. How do you expect to make money in this market? If one candle is moving 200 points, the way these people are moving, manipulating the market, how do you expect to make money in this market, right? Even worst, if you see this one, after that it is touching. So this alone, this from around 23,400 to around 23,100, it is around maybe 250 points, another 250 points, another 250 points, now another maybe 500 points, from around 23,300 to around 23,000. So today alone it has moved more than around 1,300 points. And let me take you to Sensex chart. Sensex is even worse. See, from where, from 77,200 it is coming all the way to 76,200. Again it is going to 77,300, a movement of 2,000 points, then again 3,000 points, then again it is coming almost 4,000 points movement in Sensex alone. So how do you expect money? And you people say this is not manipulation. How this cannot be a manipulation? You tell me. If this is not manipulation, if this is not what they want to do, and if you have noted or if you have seen what is happening to at the money straddles, you go and see at the money straddles. Even I checked it around 12:30. Sensex at the money straddles was trading for around how much? 800 rupees premium. Just 3 hours left and there is a premium of 800. This is what they do. This is what they do. They have bought maybe put option, or they have bought many call option, increasing the premium, increasing the implied volatility, and every kind of drama they will do to make money in this market. And only people who are fools are you and me. And government doesn't want to do anything, this SEBI doesn't want to do anything, and they just put issue circular, do that, do this, nothing is happening. That is the main problem. In between we have a problem in our broker terminal. Broker got stuck. Of course, not only my broker, many brokers would have got a problem. because huge people would have kept on punching orders, right? So what to say, this is the way, whether we like it or not, this is the market and this is how markets are going. I don't know how the future is going to work. I don't know anything else apart from trading. This is my bread and butter. I have been in this for 10 years. We don't know how the market is going to go going forward. SEBI has to come out and take a firm action on this manipulators and see what they are doing. At least try to control them. And I'll tell you, if the manipulator or if the FIIs or if the foreign institutional investors are part of your team, or you are having a shell company in outside India, you are operating from there, then how SEBI is going to stop, or how SEBI is going to come out and talk, right? That is what maybe is happening. They are opening a shell company. Maybe it might be a big Reliance company, it might be Adani. They are opening shell companies, offshore shell companies in tax haven. From there, they might be manipulating the market. SEBI might be part of this. Who knows? So there are lots of things when it comes to there are lots of skepticism when it comes to SEBI and this government. So what we can do, that's what I'm saying, what we can do as a normal people, we can sitting here, I can only shout. Apart from this, is there anything I can do? No, right? So anyway, what we can do, we'll see how things pan out. Time now is around 3 p.m. and market is holding. This is the Nifty chart and market is holding at around these levels, and this is our PNL. Our PNL is showing a not profit, a loss of around, today MTM loss of around 13,000 or 14,000. We are in a loss of 60,000. And still now India VIX has not dropped. India VIX at one point, if you have noted, it went till around 6%. We are currently sitting at 17% now. 17%. When we say India VIX is at 17%, there are possibilities that India VIX markets may make two-way, three-way move. You have to be very careful. Another 1 week left for expiry, and after that we have another headache, which is going to be Union Budget 2025. So that's what I told. We don't know what madam is up to, what she is going to do. Whether, as I told you, it is not going to be a retailer friendly budget, or there is not going to be anything for retailers, is what we expect. And if there is anything, see, I will tell you one simple term. If I want to buy this bike, right? If I want to buy this bike will cost, not this bike, the actual size of this bike will cost me around 3 lakhs. In this 3 lakh, I have to pay 1.5 lakh as central GST, state GST, cess I have to pay, road tax I have to pay. So instead of, I can buy 2 bikes for 3 lakh rupees, but I am buying only 1 bike. So so much is a tax when it comes to a bike. I am talking about a simple bike. You imagine you are buying a 4x4. Imagine you are buying a car. So much tax has been being charged on us. On top of that, I am not talking about petrol, and I am not talking about the toll charges. How much they are charging for toll? How much they are charging for petrol? So, right, petrol, how much? Today is 101 rupee, maybe 50 rupees or 60 rupees is the cost. Balance, everything is all bullshit, crap, tax. And after paying so much tax, everything tax you pay, from food to pampers to diapers to everything tax, what you get in return? Nothing, zero. That is what you get in return, right? Anyway, I don't want to criticize this government. Who knows what they will do? Maybe tomorrow Umar is going to be here or not. Only God knows if they do something to me, what I can do, right? So I don't want to take much of your time. I will end this video here. If you have made any loss, or if you are in loss, don't worry, don't panic. We will see what happens. So be confident. All these things, if there is, see, whatever happening, this pain and this hard period is not going to be prolonged. So if you are resilient, and if you are able to cross this hardest part of this your trading career, maybe sooner or later you are going to be in good hands, or you are going to be in good profit, is what I would say. I have talked too much. I will end this video here. I will see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.